subscribe another channel, Automotive Area channel. Click link at description. Welcome to Motorcycle News channel. The 2020 Suzuki Katana, a design 3 years in the making by Italian designer Rodolfo Frascoli, the new bike's cutting-edge bodywork. There was a lot of swordplay and big drums in Suzuki's hip video. Looks like it's built on top of mostly the pre-existing GSX S1000. Here's what Suzuki says. The 999cc engine offers excellent low to mid-range to work with good peak horsepower. A variety of advanced electronics include traction control, easy start and low RPM assist, twin-spar aluminum frame and braced superbike-style swing arm, Gibbs-applied suspension, dual front Brembo monoblock 4-piston brake calipers with 310mm floating rotors. Unique satellite rear fender extends from the swing arm, creating a taut-looking tail design. New style, full LCD instrument panel unique to the Katana. Metallic mystic silver paint with Katana lettering and logos that mirror the original 1981 model. Suzuki aims to build whatever people need to bring excitement into their lives. By 2021, he says Suzuki plans to introduce 10 new models, focusing on large bikes.